It seems there are train lovers the world around. In the nearby town of Mendrisio, I visit with fellow rail fan Marco Nemes. He's president of the San Gottardo Club, a volunteer group that's dedicated to restoring historic trains.
This looks, I mean, it looks like an enormous amount of work.
The problem is of these machines, you cannot go to a shop and buy a replacement piece. So everything you take out, you have to do it again with on the factory. You have to do a piece new and
Make it yourself.
Yeah, make yourself. Yeah.
Marco explains why he's so dedicated to this work.
It's history.
Yeah,
that's history. That's what can you say? It's so that people see how it was at the beginning of the century, how they work and how solution they had to solve some problems. And I can tell you they are very, very good sometimes. Sometimes you say, wow, that's what a good idea.
it looks complex, but I know it's a fairly simple system, right? You burn coal to create steam.
And we heat them up. It's like a coffee machine.
And then it's traps. It has to go somewhere.
It goes up there. Then this part here, here is all the steam goes up there, and there is the valve it takes and comes down to the cylinders.
Ah, yeah. First of all, where's the steering wheel? I'm kidding. I know there's no steering wheel on a train. But you have pressure gauges, right?
Yeah, yes. So this side is the guy who guides the machine. On this side is the poor man
shoveling the coal. You.
The heating, one of me.
Not only was the railway complex to build, but the machines that came across 130 years ago and really opened up the region were elegantly engineered. Right?
Absolutely. And this one here, it's a machine made for a very short range. If you look at the big ones, then they are a little bit more complicated than this one. Then you need everything more, is everything bigger, but the principles are always the same. Yeah. So fire, water, and steam
and pressure,
and then it works.
That's beautiful.